Okay, good morning to one and all. So today we will discuss about the one more topic. This topic name is the pressure. Pressure. First of all, what is the definition of the pressure? The force is perpendicular to. The force is perpendicular to unit area of the surface. Unit area of the surface is called for the pressure. What is the definition of the pressure? The force is perpendicular to unit area of the surface is known as the pressure. What is the definition of the pressure? The force is perpendicularly. The force is perpendicular to an unit area of surface of the body is known as pressure. What is the definition of the pressure? The force is perpendicular to a unit area of the surface of body is known as the pressure. We know the pressure formula is there. Pressure is equal to force by area. Pressure formula is equal P is equal to force by area. Now SI unit of the pressure is equal to SI unit of pressure is equal to Newton by meter square or N per Newton per meter per square. It is the SI unit of the pressure. Once again I will say the definition of the pressure. The force is perpendicular to an unit area of the surface of the body is known as the pressure. Pressure we show the one what that is P. P is equal to force by area. SI unit of pressure is equal to Newton. Generally SI unit of force is Newton. Area length into breadth and meter. Length we measure the meter. Breadth also measure in the meter. So meter into meter square. R another unit to Pascal. These are the units of the pressure. Pressure is depend on the force and area. Pressure is depends on the force and area. Okay, now pressure is depends on the force and area. For example, when we increase the pressure, what is the position of the force and area? When we increase the pressure, automatically the force is decreasing and also area is increasing. When we increase the pressure, automatically force is decreasing and also area is increasing. Okay, now for example, pressure is increasing. Automatically decreasing the force by increasing of the area. It is a unchanged area and unchanged forces. Okay, now automatically. So once again I will say what is the definition of the pressure? The force is perpendicular to a unit area of the surface is known as the pressure. Pressure, we choose the letter P. P is equal to force by area. So SI unit of the pressure is equal to Newton per meter square. Here Newton means SI unit of force. Already we discussed about the previous classes. SI unit of force Newton. Area formula length into breadth. Length into breadth. Area is equal to. So again we measure the length in meters. Meter into breadth also measure in the meters. Meter. So meter into meter is equal to what happened? Meter square. So our another unit is equal to Pascal. So pressure is depends on the two objectives. The two objectives called the force and area. For example, when we increase the pressure, what is the position of the force and area? Automatically, when we increase the pressure, force is decreasing and area is increasing. Area is increasing. Understanding all numbers? Today we are discussing about the one important topic. This topic name is the pressure. Okay. Now we do some problems on the pressure topic. Pressure. Generally, pressure formula what to? Force by area. So problems on the pressure topic. Problems on pressure topic. First question problem, right? Problem. The surface of the area is equal to the surface of area is 20 meter square. 20 meter square. And the force is equal to, and the force is 10 newtons. Generally, the SI unit of force is newtons. The surface of area is 20 meter square and force is 10 newtons. Find the pressure. Find the pressure. Okay now this problem solution. First given data right. Given that first of area of the surface. The area of surface. Area of the surface is equal to how much? 20 meter square. Next to in the problem they give the force value given. Force is equal to F is equal to how much? 10 newtons. Now we find the which value? Pressure value we find that. Pressure is equal to P is equal to formula force by area. Already give the force value how much? Force value 10 by area value how much given? 20. Area value how much given? 20. First do that calculation part. So 10 cancel. That is equal to 1 by 2. Now 1 is divided with the 2. Directly not going. Here only kept the 0.2 5 10. Remainder 0. So the answer is equal to 0.25 Newton meter square or Pascals. It is a solution of the how to find out the pressure value. Now we will do the one more examples. For example, the surface of area is equal to 50 meter square. 50 meter square. Next, the force is equal to 10 newtons. Find the pressure. Given that area is equal how much given here? 50 meter square. Next, force is equal to F is equal to 10 newtons. So pressure is equal to formula. Pressure is equal to 50 by 10. 10 cancel. That is equal to 5 pascals. 5 pascals. These are the examples of how to find out the pressure value. They give the force value and they give the area value. Right? Some more example. I give the homework. Homework, right? Homework. Area is equal to 10 meters square and force is equal to 5 newtons. Next, fourth one. Area is equal to 100 meters square. Force is equal to 10 newtons. Next, area is equal to 16 meters square. Force is equal to 10 newtons. These three problems are doing homework. House near to all numbers, do them and find out the answers. Understanding all numbers. So today we are discussing about the other topic name is the force. Other topic name is the pressure. What is the definition of the pressure? The force is perpendicular to unit to area of the surface is known as the pressure. Pressure formula P is equal to force by area. SI unit to Newton per meter square or Pascal. When we increase the pressure, automatically force is decreasing and area is increasing. Okay, so that's all. Our lesson is totally completed. So totally in this lesson we have covered the different topics and we learned different topics. So first of all, we are learning about the force definition and also we are learning about the different types of forces. So total in this lesson we are learning objectives. First one, force definition we are learning. Next, this force is divided into two categories. One is the contact force at a distance. Again, these also divided into four categories. One is the muscular force, second one is the frictional force, third one is the normal force, fifth one is the tension, fourth one. Next, again this one also divided into three categories. First one, gravitational force, second one, magnetic force, and the third one is the electrostatic force. These are the types of forces and their examples. And next we are previous class we discussed about the how to find the net force. Net force formula is there. F1 minus F2. It is a very important topic and as we do the number of problems. Next we discuss about the free body diagram. FBD means free body diagram and it is very important form of question. Next we discuss about another topic effective force. Effect of the forces. This is also very important topic we discuss about. Okay, understand? Totally our lesson name is force. Totally complete them. So we learning the different types of definitions. We do the different types of the problems. Understanding all numbers? Okay. Thank you.